Welcome to Sven's Ballet Studio. This is the set of Anna's family, where they're going to go to ballet class. It's going to be so fun. Today we're going to do an unboxing video. It's a ballet doll, a very popular doll named Twirling Ballerina Teresa. She came out in 1995, and she's going to be featured in the next episode introducing Anna's family. Check out Twirling Ballerina Teresa. Look how sparkly and pretty she is. She's going to make a great teacher for Anna's family. All right, let's get started. Ooh, check it out. There's a ballerina stand. So, oh, sorry, that's for the ballerina bar. That's awesome. Okay, let's take a look. There's the bar, there's the brush. Look at these cute shoes. And she has cute shimmering tights. A cute shimmering tutu. Pink underneath. Oh, and this is to twirl her, I'm sure. All right, let's take her out of the box. Let's start with the simple things. The brush. And then, let's see here, a lot of stuff over here. Okay, so she is articulated, which is nice. Just to pose her. Let's get this down here for her pretty brown hair. Okay. Oops, forgot one of the twisties. There we go. There we go. She's coming out now. All right. She is so pretty. Wow. I just love, love, love it. All right, let's put up the stand. Interesting. Okay, so you take it apart. There we go. Perfect. Let's get this twine out of her hair. So she's articulated at the knees, and at the arms and the shoulders a little bit, which is nice. And so let's see if she can pose here. Now really what everyone wants to see is how she twirls, so let's do that. All right, let's get some twirling action going. Woohoo! So there's this little spinny thing on top of her head, so it acts like, sort of like a top spin. And if you put her in a good twirling position and get that to start making action, it starts to twirl. So that's actually really cool. Take some practice, but once you get it down, you can twirl all day. And you can do different twirling positions. Maybe one leg out, maybe one leg in. So she will be featured in our next video introducing Anna's family. So stay tuned and watch the next show. All right, take care everyone. Bye-bye.